Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Honda CR-V key. To unlock just the driver's door, press the unlock button once. For all 4 doors, press it twice. To lock your vehicle, simply press the lock button one time. If you ever need to signal for help, hold down the red panic button for a few seconds to activate the alarm. It's a simple and effective way to manage your vehicle's access. The remote engine start feature is incredibly convenient. First, make sure all your doors are closed and locked. Then, press the lock button on your fob and immediately press and hold the remote start button for about 5 seconds. Your engine will start and run for 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can repeat the process to extend the run time by another 10 minutes. Accessing your CR-V's cargo area is easy with the key fob. Simply press and hold the tailgate button for a few seconds, and the power tailgate will open smoothly to its preset height. If you need to stop it at any point or close it, just press the button again. You can also manually adjust the opening height to suit your specific needs, which is very handy. Your key fob is powered by a small coin cell battery, typically a CR2032. You'll know it's time to replace it when your remote's range significantly decreases. To change it, carefully pry open the fob casing, remove the old battery, and insert a new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. This simple step keeps your key fob working perfectly for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.